Hi everyone, we are in Vienna, Austria right now, and we are about to go sightseeing. And today's destination of ours is Saint Stephen's Cathedral. It's a bit drizzling right now, so it's not. Um, I hope that the sun will come out, but I think it will not. So it's a bit dull and eerie. I don't really like this weather much when you're about to take beautiful pictures. It's not very happy. First we're going to U-Bahn, which is like a subway here, and I will try to decipher how to use that. We tried to use it at our very first day here, actually evening, when we were looking for our Airbnb, and actually that was easy. I was afraid that maybe something I will not be able to use that, or there is some kind of problem, but it's pretty easy. So I hope to show this process to you as well. Is this Dunai?
I think it's because we have like
Okay.
Alte Donau and the canal, like Donau Canal. There's a museum of modern art.
Okay. Poor canal.
Yeah. But wow, this looks beautiful over there.
Yeah. Like the autumn colors. I
Yeah.
love it. If you eat a lot in this restaurant, then you become like this. please tell me how this palace is called?
This one, I don't even know, but we want to see Schloss Schönbrunn. Let's check out the card.
Okay. And they have Weihnachtswerkstatt. Is it something? I'm sorry. Is it about? Is it something about Christmas?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, they have a map here. Ehrenhof.
Schlosseingang. Okay, we have to go this way. Yeah. This is where we are.
Mm-hmm.
And wait.
What's our destination? Zoo.
This is pretty cool. But we're here. Is that the castle? No, is it?
I think, yeah, this one is the castle, like right here. That's the castle.
So.
And then we just have to...
Yeah, it has to be, because here are the, like the two fountains. That's the castle?
Yeah, but this is our destination, right?
Yeah.
This one. So you just go straight. And then we say Neptunbrunnen.
Yes. And then we'll probably see it already.
And then we just do not go to the zoo because we have to pay.
Exactly.
Yes, we just ignore the zoo.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go.
Yeah.
Yay! Now we're going home, but in approximately 1 hour we're gonna have one more meeting, and we're going to go to the theater to watch a musical called Rebecca. I probably heard something of it, but I'm not really that familiar with the story, so I would really love to get acquainted with the story. And I'm actually so happy to meet my friends like all over the world. Like, for example, today I've met Alice, and I'm so happy because of that. because we were like talking online before, but talking in real life is much more different than from this online conversation that could be fun, but still it's kind of boring. So I'm so happy and glad to meet my friends in real life as well. So again, I'm so happy that I decided to have this trip. Yeah. And we went to the castle, and unfortunately, well, that was a bit silly of me to think that we could reach the main castle, or like to walk through that whole area, which is so big, enormous. It was pretty silly of me to think that we could finish all of that. So guys, if you ever want to go to this castle and explore the area, you just dedicate the whole freaking day for that, because the area is so huge. So please keep that in mind.